Using the LIA chatbot. To start using the LIA chatbot, click on the blue LIA icon at the bottom right of LinkedIn. If it's not visible, make sure chatbot mode is enabled in your preferences. To do that, click the extension icon, check Enable Chatbot Mode in the pop-up, and hit Save Settings. Now let's create a new chat. Hover over the chatbot logo to reveal the sidebar, then click New Chat. From here, you can start interacting with LIA, whether it's for writing posts, polishing comments, improving content, or even brainstorming fresh ideas. Let's try generating a viral post with LIA. I'll write a quick draft, and LIA will handle the rest. Since it's trained to help you get the most out of LinkedIn, LIA generates high-quality posts that sound just like you. And there it is, a fully generated post in my unique voice, personalized using the preferences and LinkedIn info I added during onboarding. But that's not all. I can also ask LIA to modify the post. For example, let's tell it to add an even stronger hook. Perfect. Now I've got a polished post, completely in my own style, ready to publish on LinkedIn. And the best part? It takes less than 2 minutes. But what if I wanted to mimic someone else's style, or create my own post inspired by theirs? That's where LIA really stands out from regular chatbots, and that's exactly the feature we'll explore next.